Hello, this is Matt on the Moon Lambo channel. XRP likely to surge high due to bearish attitude of XRP skeptics, says a top analyst. This is a story coming from crypto media outlet You Today. There are other indications that institutional investors they're setting their positions right now for the impending bull run. You've also got, because life is stupid in 2020, just doesn't make any damn sense, you've got Dogecoin surging because of Elon Musk. And I can't believe this is real life, man. Like, it's so stupid. I have to share this with you. But yeah, some potential positive news here for XRP in terms of price action, according to this top analyst, in addition to all that. So, lots to talk about in this video, of course, but before we go any further, if you would please delicately tap that like button, I would appreciate it. And if you think that I should turn this XRP-centric channel into a Dogecoin channel, go ahead and subscribe. I'm not actually doing that, though, but I would appreciate it if you'd be willing to subscribe. That way you can hear me say stupid things on a daily basis, because I do put out quite regular content. Okay, so we got XRP sitting here at 20 cents. You got Bitcoin at $9,187 at the time of recording, with the market cap for the crypto asset class at $270 billion. I want to share with you at the beginning here a couple tweets from an XRP community member named Frecky. And he wrote the following. Just had my buddy pick up 750,000 XRP after quite a bit of research. A month's hashtag XRP community. Now he's in the game. Now that is more than a little bit of XRP. Can you imagine holding 750,000 and then even if it just gets back to its all-time high, the multiplier effect of that, it would just be obscene. Frecky then wrote, also my buddy is a traditional portfolio manager of 30 years. So it was a lot of education to get him into Bitcoin. And then he wrote hashtag ETH, hashtag XRP, and so on. So he wrote, most PMs won't touch digital assets still. Yeah, that's certainly true. And really, even if you believe that so say you're a portfolio manager and you think it makes a ton of sense to diversify into cryptocurrencies, some of your clientele could be so turned off that if they would lose faith in you for even considering investing anything into the cryptocurrency asset class, which really, to me, just illustrates how early days this is. But some people get it. So what about this piece now from You Today? XRP likely to surge high due to bearish attitude of XRP skeptics, says top analyst. Excuse me. Top-level analyst Michael Vandepop, also known as Crypto Michael, has tweeted that right now is one of those rare occasions when he enjoys holding his XRP bag. Today, the fourth most popular cryptocurrency has been trading at 19.5 cents, showing a tiny rise under 1% as per data from CoinMarketCap. However, the XRP price seems to be pushing away from the major resistance line and is showing small green candles, which may signify the coin's targeting further growth. While responding to a bearish comment to his tweet, Crypto Michael said that bearish expectations on the prospects of the XRP price make him believe that the rise of the coin is going to be much higher than the potential decline. There is such a thing as, a crypto misery index, and the more bearish people are. See, and this is just generally how it works. And just be clear, I'm not offering financial advice. I do not have a financial background. I'm just a dude just like you. And I just happen to run a YouTube channel where I talk about Ripple and XRP because I just happen to be that interested in it. Don't buy or sell because of me. But that said, it makes sense to me, and you can see this not just in crypto, but in traditional markets, that when there's negative sentiment, that's usually a good time to buy. When there's all sorts of positive sentiment, it might be a sign that perhaps a particular asset has been overbought and could end up correcting. So you can see here again, while we respond to a bearish comment to his tweet, Crypto Michael said that bearish expectations on the prospects of XRP make him believe that the rise could be going much higher. And so here's the actual quote from Crypto Michael. It's one of those rare occasions that I enjoy having XRP. And then somebody named Jay responded and wrote, you will get burned. XRP always disappoints. Yeah, it disappoints except for when it doesn't. Like, for instance, when it rallied last year, around May, from 25 cents to about 50 cents, a little over 50 cents, so more than 100% increase. And then there was that time in 2017, have we already forgotten about that one? XRP went from 20-something cents to almost $4. Yeah, so it disappoints, except for when it doesn't. And Crypto Michael responded to that by writing, because of this way of thinking, I think the upside is getting significantly larger than the potential further downside. So we'll see, man. We'll just keep watching this. How about this piece from Decrypt? And it's titled, wow, such pump. I do like that. Dogecoin rises 14% after Elon Musk tweet. Oh, yes, indeed. Elon Musk. And you might think after the Twitter hack having to do with the Bitcoin scam, because there are all sorts of individuals and businesses that were hacked. Ripple among them. Ripple got hacked. And Elon Musk was one of them. You might think that maybe you wouldn't be tweeting about anything crypto related for some time, but check out this story, dude. This is another sign that I'm relatively convinced that my brain is in a vat and I am in the Matrix, basically. This is not real life, man. This makes no damn sense. I'm just saying. So Elon Musk has tweeted about crypto for the second time this week. This time, however, he wasn't hacked. Instead, he's pumping his favorite meme-based cryptocurrency, Dogecoin, again. In the wee hours of the morning, the meme-loving Tesla CEO quipped that Doge could become a reserve currency. Following his tweet, Dogecoin's price rose by 14%. That's ridiculous. My God. Dogecoin, a cryptocurrency modeled after a popular 2013 meme of a Shiba Inu, has garnered infamy in the crypto community as a joke coin. And absolutely, it's 100% designed to be a joke, not have utility. That's it. And it still has, last I checked, it still has a market cap of like 435 million or something stupid. Like, what the hell is that? Still, that hasn't stopped the crypto gathering thousands of loyal followers over the years, of which Musk is one. It's inevitable, Musk tweeted, referring to a meme about Dogecoin dominating the financial system. And here's the actual tweet on your screen right there. He just wrote, it's inevitable, and then there's a picture of a dust cloud with the face of a Shiba Inu, and this dust cloud appears to be taking over some sort of suburban area, which is labeled as the global financial system. Okay. I mean, it's kind of like a funny tweet, I guess, but what the hell, Elon Musk? Now, Musk's antics come just days after the extensive Twitter fiasco that laid claim to the accounts of hundreds of celebrities. Taking the opportunity of a lifetime, hackers hijacked the likes of Bill Gates, Warren Buffett, and of course Musk himself to promote a Bitcoin scam. So the market cap ended up increasing as a result of this tweet by $40 million. What the hell, bro? I mean, it's funny. It's like I'm mad about this. I'm just saying this is absolutely freaking absurd. That's all I'm saying. And so you can take a look at this here. The Winklevoss twins also tweeted about this. Cameron Winklevoss wrote, a Dogecoin is a man's best friend. Tyler Winklevoss wrote, YOLO FOMO Dogecoin. And so Galgatron, XRP community member, got a little screen grab of those two Winklevoss tweets and wrote, finally, we find out who was buying up all these useless Dogecoins. Somebody named JT responded and wrote, surprises me how that coin is still in the top 100. And then he has a little shrug emoji. Yeah, I've talked about this too. No kidding. Galgatron responded with, mind-blowing, but revealing just how much of this space is fake valuations. And so then I chimed in here and I wrote, when people complain about the price of XRP, I point to Dogecoin to illustrate that people are not sufficiently focused on the actual value of the cryptocurrency asset class. I'm betting that over time, people and institutional purchasers will figure things out. When? I don't know. It'll be a day that ends with the letter Y. That's all I know for sure. Probably a Wednesday. We'll see, though. So how about this? How about additional evidence of institutional money continuing to pour in to the crypto asset class before the next major rally? Well, here's a headline from Daily Hodl. And this one's about Grayscale. I've been talking about them a little bit lately. They just keep ending up in the news here. Bitcoin Goliath Grayscale reveals $1.4 billion investment in crypto funds in 2020. The digital asset manager Grayscale says inflows to its Bitcoin and other crypto investment products reached $905.8 million in the second quarter of 2020, bringing the total capital raised to $1.4 billion in the first half of the year. That's massive, guys. And its latest digital asset investment report, the firm says 84% of the investments are from institutional investors, primarily hedge funds. Of the returning institutional investors, 81% are invested in multiple products. Now, here's a quote. For the first time, inflows into Grayscale products over a 6-month period crossed the $1 billion threshold, demonstrating sustained demand for digital asset exposure despite a backdrop characterized by economic uncertainty. So think about it. Despite the craziness of 2020, all of this, institutional players are absolutely positioning themselves. And no doubt, most of this money is flowing into Dogecoin because life don't make no damn sense. No, I'm just kidding. It's not going to Dogecoin. Not here, right? But the firm says its Grayscale Bitcoin Trust continues to lead the pack in investment demands with inflows of $751.1 million in the last quarter, which marks Q2 2020 as the product's fourth successive record-breaking quarter. The company says that following the Bitcoin halving in May, inflows to the Grayscale Bitcoin Trust surpassed the number of newly mined Bitcoin over the same period. Fascinating. And indeed, so as far as the halving, which did occur with Bitcoin, it's the block reward payment cut in half. Historically, and it's only happened 2 other times, but historically, and it doesn't happen immediately, demand ends up going bonkers. And so I think that it makes sense, that's why they put in the article, that perhaps that's a leading reason, perhaps it's a big reason as to why a lot of money's flowing in right now. They perhaps think that, and that would just be one reason, that you could have a ton of money flow into the crypto asset class by additional retailers and institutional investors, and maybe win Lambo. Friday, 2 p.m. No. So we'll see. Overall, and it's like, again, I'm patient as can be. I don't pretend to know when price action is going to occur, but I remain confident, and I will hold and be patient however long I need to, because I can't imagine it not happening at some point. What do you think? Feel free to drop a comment below. I am not a financial advisor. Do not buy or sell anything because of anything that I say or write. That would be a very, very, very bad idea. Until next time, to the moon, Lambo!